excited. So these are the shoes my hubby got me for our anniversary from Shoes of Hollywood, and these are pleasers. And this is an unboxing. I'm just excited. I just want to see these shoes. Okay, so it comes like that, little baggie. Then and a tiny sleeve. Let's see. Oh my gosh, aren't these so cute? Oh my gosh. And then it's like memory foam. I think these are a 7-inch. These are pretty high. Bottom. Okay, so I did not paint my toenails, so this is kind of gonna be interesting. Let me just... Okay, so I had to put my camera down to put these on. These are them. And look how fun and extra that is. Oh my gosh. Now, I am a US size 7, and it says here European 37 and UK 4. And these are the ADORE-724F with the white fur. Let me see if I can stand up in them. I feel super gigantic in these. Don't mind my disgusting carpet right now. But these feel pretty comfortable with the memory foam in them. The plastic does feel a little stiff from the start, but from what I understand, it just molds to your foot as you get used to it and wear them for longer periods of time. But these are super fun. And I did have kind of a hard time zipping this part up, like it would get stuck in the feather right there. But other than that, it's pretty nice.